Hi, Kirk here from Aero Precision. Today we're here at our test fire range at our factory in Lakewood, Washington. We're shooting one of our factory 308 Solus competition rifles. We're going to be shooting this for groups today. This is a demo rifle that we just got off the shelf. We shoot it all the time for special guests or employees who want to try the platform out. We're going to be shooting 168 grain federal gold medal maps through it today and seeing what kind of group we can put downrange. All right, we come over to our targeting system here. Mark our impacts. 0.86 MOA, that's about on par with like what I normally shoot, So I would say I'm not out shooting this gun. The break-in we do on these guns, or what we recommend normally, is get a couple boxes of ammo, put it through it, clean it. You'll see those groups start to tighten up out of the box. And you can expect, pretty consistent sub-MOA accuracy with these rifles, through their lifetime. So, for more information and to shop the full Solus lineup, please visit our website at aeroprecisionusa.com.